Look around your house right now. Those dusty boxes in the attic or the garage are full of items you can turn into cash this week. We are going to walk through the process of setting up 5 optimized eBay listings. By the end of this video, you will have those items live on the market. You only need 4 things to start: a registered eBay seller account, a linked bank account, just your smartphone, and a basic kitchen scale. The barrier to entry here is low. You are simply leveraging the physical items you already own to build your first stream of side hustle income. Step 1 is selecting those 5 household items and finding out exactly what they are worth. Open the eBay app, search your item, and tap the Sold Items filter. This comparison is crucial. Beginners price based on what sellers are asking, a pure guess. Filtering for completed sales shows the realistic price buyers actually paid. Mastering this historical research process is called comp shopping. Accurate pricing ensures your items sell quickly instead of sitting in digital storage. Once you know the correct price, it's time to build your digital presentation. Online buyers rely entirely on the visual evidence you provide to make a decision. You don't need professional lighting. Just use your smartphone near a window for natural light and place it against a white background. Take 8 to 12 distinct photos covering every angle. Avoid manufacturer stock photos for used items, as eBay will lower your visibility in search results. Instead, take close-up shots of any physical scratches or wear. Documenting these flaws builds trust with your buyer. Next, build a searchable listing title. Follow this exact sequence: brand, model, key feature, size or color, and finally, the condition. In the description box, keep things factual. Include exact dimensional measurements, a clear list of any included accessories, and repeat your condition notes. For pricing, use the Buy It Now model based on completed sales data you found earlier. Use the auction format only for rare collectibles, where bidding will drive the price up. This bar chart visualizes the platform fee structure. For a standard $100 sale, eBay deducts approximately 13.25%. The remaining $86.75 is your net profit. Combine clear photos, a structured title, and precise data, and your listing acts as a salesperson. It answers a buyer's potential objections before they even have to ask. Your digital listing is prepped. Now we need to handle the physical logistics so you are ready the moment the item sells. The most common beginner error is guessing the shipping weight. A miscalculation forces you to pay the difference, eating into your profits. Always pre-weigh your package before listing the item. Then, when it sells, purchase and print your postage directly through eBay to access commercial discounts. To protect your margins, keep their packaging overhead low. Using clean, reused boxes and saved bubble wrap keeps your shipping costs down. Once you have sold your own unused goods, you will eventually run out of things around the house. The next phase is replacing those items by sourcing inventory from outside your home. Target local environments like thrift stores and estate sales and weekend garage sales. Here you can find low-cost electronics, tools, and brand-name clothing to resell at a higher price online. Pairing local sourcing with these digital optimization rules allows you to move from simply clearing out a closet to generating a consistent secondary income. By following these steps, you now have 5 live, accurately priced items listed on a global marketplace. When you receive a sale notification, the final step is simple. Print your discounted label, attach it to your pre-weighed box, and dispatch the item at the post office. Once the transaction clears and the tracking updates, your funds will be deposited directly into your linked checking account. Clearing out your house is the training ground for a larger system. Get your first 5 items listed today, and let us know in the comments what your very first sale was.